Scores of representatives from approximately 14 countries across the region have assembled in Guyana for a training session that focuses on the hearing impaired. It's being spearheaded by an international NGO, the Starkey Hearing Foundation, which aims at creating the conditions to provide positive help for persons with hearing impairment. Director of the NGO's Global Health and Research, Mr. Eden Prairie, explained the reason behind Guyana's selection for the hosting of this workshop.
We met with the First Lady at the United Nations Summit in 2015, September, and she approached us and invited us to Guyana. And we found out Guyana has a population of less than 1 million, so it would be a great country to establish a program, since we have our programs in about 42 countries all around the world. So we decided to develop a program in Guyana.
Mr. Prairie said the 3-day workshop is just part of what the NGO plans to do in Guyana.
We are here to develop competence in all the trainees so that they can go back to their respective countries and be able to establish or improve on the community-based hearing healthcare program. This is a more or less like a train the trainers program, whereby they go back and train more locals so as to increase the amount of paraprofessionals in hearing healthcare and bridge the access gap. This will further advance the cost of hearing health globally.
He further explained some of the areas the workshop will be covering.
The phase 1 of the program is more or less about identifying people that have hearing losses in the community. So we train them on an approach to identify the people, screen the people, and provide basic hearing healthcare at the community level. But the phase 2 model is about the fitting of the hearing aids. So through our WFA community-based hearing healthcare model, we are able to fit in mass so as to bridge the access gap. So at the phase 2 level, this is where people are being fit with the required hearing aids so as to allow them to hear.
The Starkey Hearing Foundation has shared its services to over 48 countries across the world. For HGP Nightly News, I am Jessica Daw.